5 Best Aesthetic Kitchen Designs for 2024. Trending styles and ideas for a modern look. Number 1. Monochrome style for an elegant kitchen. The combination of black and white gives the kitchen a modern, luxurious, and masculine impression. Applying the right colors to kitchen sets and other kitchen equipment will produce maximum monochrome style. Number 2. Scandinavian-style kitchen. This simple but beautiful design is suitable for small kitchens. Combine wooden elements with various colors and green plants to create a warm and comfortable atmosphere. Number 3. Pastel Shades Kitchen Set. This design is suitable for creating a sweet and Instagrammable dream kitchen. Combine pastel colors such as turquoise green, dusty pink, and sky blue for a unique and aesthetic look. By choosing the right design and paying attention to the small details, you can create a minimalist kitchen that is not only functional, but also aesthetic and elegant. Number 4. Minimalist Farmhouse Kitchen. This kitchen comes with a farmhouse concept. A minimalist 3x2 kitchen design with this style gives a spacious impression to the room. It will even make the room look clean. To strengthen the simple and inexpensive farmhouse concept kitchen design, you can adjust the selection of table chairs and lamps. Apart from that, you also need to pay attention to other ornaments, such as curtains, carpets, and hanging clocks. Number 5. Eclectic Style Minimalist Kitchen. Another modern minimalist kitchen design with an eclectic style. You can combine various elements to display a unique style and make the kitchen look artistic. This minimalist kitchen can feature wooden elements in the kitchen set list and fresh green plants. Apart from that, there are various colorful containers and ethnic weaves. You can even add a tribal patterned carpet in a contrasting color. The advantage of this unique and beautiful minimalist kitchen is that it is basically simple, but the decoration of various elements makes it look artistic.